Hey guys, Angelina here, and today I'm going to be an unboxing for the new Animal Crossing Switch. And literally I've been waiting like every single day. I've been tracking it and seeing where it is, and like, I don't know, right when I woke up I saw that he just like dropped it off at my house. So the thing about this is that I was literally sleeping on the pre-order. I was sleeping, like not actually sleeping, but you know, I don't know, for some reason I thought that there would be like a large quantity available like after it was released, I guess. So for pre-order I didn't really rush anything. When it released on like March 13th, I didn't really rush it either. I don't know what I was thinking. But anyways, and then we got into quarantine, and then I was like, I just need the Switch. And I've never owned the Switch before. I honestly haven't played like Nintendo devices for a really long time. I had Animal Crossing back in the day with like my Nintendo DS and all of that, and I played Pocket Camp, but that's pretty much it. But so yeah, I was like, if I'm going to buy a Switch and invest in one, now is the time. So I got this on March 22nd. It was completely random. I was like manifesting this basically like at 2:30 a.m. I was just like, beforehand I was searching on every single website. I was looking like instock.com or whatever that website is to see when it would be in stock for other sites. So like Best Buy, Target, everywhere. It's just like sold out, and even regular Switches are sold out. So you can just imagine how difficult the special edition would be. But at 2:33 a.m. or something around there, I just refreshed on Amazon Prime and it popped up, ordered one, and right after I ordered, it was sold out. So I'm assuming like people were on it. I just don't know how though, because it's like such a random time. So I guess a lot of people were like me and like refreshing, but it's finally here. And right after I placed that, I was able to order the game itself. So I've had this game for like 3 days and just no console to play it with. So I'm super excited. But anyways, look at how cute it is. I'm pretty sure y'all have watched like a million unboxing videos of this if you're currently watching now. I know like before I got this, I was watching like a million Animal Crossing videos. So let's just get into it. This is how beautiful it is. Right there. And just kind of, it's so pretty, oh my gosh. So we have the console, the Joy-Cons here. Okay, so basically after you lift that, you have this, and this is the dock. It's so freaking beautiful. Like you can just admire it. I'm not sure how the normal Switch feels. I forgot how it felt, honestly. I'm pretty sure it's matte as well, but this one is also pretty matte, and it just feels so nice, and the colors are amazing. It's even better in person. It's more like a creamy, not beige, but like a cream eggshell, I don't know, like a darker white. And then Tom Nook, his little nephews, and it's like white in the back. Icons, side thingamabobbers, what are these called? I don't know, they're so nice as well. Okay, so my hands are so dusty. So this is the Switch itself. So the case that I got for it is just like $15 on Amazon, but I just figured I would need some screen protectors for it, and screen protectors were already like $8, so might as well just buy this that came with 2 screen protectors. So here's that. And it's so pretty. I'll zoom in on the back here and what it looks like. Just wanted to show y'all the Joy-Cons itself, because I think the colors are a lot better in person. They're so vibrant and just beautiful, honestly. Dude, they're like glowing. So these are the Joy-Cons. As you can see, like, I think this is an accurate representation of the colors. Like, I have the sun beaming on it, but it's so freaking nice and matte and, you know, like that. And then we have the Joy-Con straps here, and these are super cute because they have matching colors and like all of that. So came with 2 of those and in the respective colors. So that's so freaking cool. The direct light. So nice, oh my gosh. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all like the colors and lighting. So I have that, and it comes with this. I didn't know it came with this. I was about to literally buy one on Amazon for like $10, but I'm really glad it comes with that. I'm a noob, clearly. HDMI cord, this, and that's pretty much it. So all I need to do is plug it in and set it up. I'm very excited to start playing, dude. Like, I'm so excited. But yeah, let me show y'all the Switch itself. So that's what it looks like. The details on the back are absolutely amazing. I'm glad that this is like, that I was able to get this, because I think I was only gonna invest in a Switch if I was able to get the Animal Crossing one. I didn't really feel the need to just blow it on a regular Switch. Like literally I just got a Switch for Animal Crossing and I'm broke now, and the girl's not even working because of freaking quarantine. So, you know, we're just hanging in there. Thought this would be a great investment for the lock-in. And I don't know, I just wanted a Switch for a while, and this is like, this was a tipping point. I'm gonna set it up and play and let y'all know how it goes. I heard like it's been super addicting and people are like going ham over it, clearly. I've already like been looking at QR codes on like Threads and stuff for decorations in my home and all of that, so I'm really all the time, and it's just at 1%, but it never dies, so I can play like all day, and it never dies, which is really weird. I played a lot like the first week, and now that I have school it's been a little bit hectic, but she's so freaking cute. Anyways, love it. There's me in the reflection. But yeah, it just sucks that I have to keep it plugged in all the time. Also, I get so lazy and I just leave all my stuff outside. So, that's that. But yeah.